State-of-the-art innovative center, hands-on experience, lifelong learning. Find it all here at the Advanced Technology Center. Located on the campus of Tidewater Community College, the ATC prepares high school students for existing and emerging careers. The ATC offers courses in 3 areas: information technology and computer sciences, digital design and marketing, architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Let's check it out.
Information Technology and Cyber Foundations. Career opportunities in IT and cybersecurity are exploding across the globe. This course introduces you to the technical and professional skills needed to pursue those jobs. You'll develop foundational skills in network and hardware engineering, program and software development, web design, and more. Once completing this one-year program, you will have the chance to earn nationally recognized certifications.
Cybersecurity Systems Technology. Technology. We use it every day, but how exactly does it work? Find out in this course. Learn how to build, repair, and secure computers, servers, and networks. You'll also get hands-on experience installing, configuring, and troubleshooting various operating systems. Many students earn highly desired IT certifications and even have the opportunity to participate in internships.
Network administration and cybersecurity. Prevent cyber threats and outsmart hackers. This 2-year program will show you how to configure, manage, and secure networks. Ethical hacking labs also teach you how to defend against threats and conduct penetration testing measures on networks. You'll work with Windows and Linux operating systems. Students prepare for nationally recognized certifications.
Cisco Network Engineering. Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. Digital networks we're all pretty familiar with, but did you ever wonder how they work? This program will provide you with a hands-on introduction to networking and cybersecurity through Cisco routers, switches, wireless devices, and more. Courses are designed around real-world experiences and are delivered in partnership with Cisco Systems Networking Academy, a global technology giant.
Telecommunications. The telecommunications job market is booming, and this class will help you get your foot in the door. From installing telephone and data networks to programming security cameras and access control door locks, this 2-year program will teach you all about the telecommunications field. You'll also have the opportunity to be certified in data cabling, satellite dish installation, as well as OSHA safety regulations.
Web Design Foundations. Design, coding, and business. Become a tech triple threat. This course prepares you not only for opportunities in web design and development, it also puts those skills to the test in a realistic business model. In the 2-year program, you'll develop web programming skills in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while learning to design engaging websites for all users. Second-year students continue building those skills in a simulated web design business while learning project management and entrepreneurship in a highly project-based environment.
Software and game development. Anyone can play a game on their phone or Xbox, but can you create one? Learn how in this 2-year program that introduces you to fundamental programming concepts using GameMaker, Visual Studio, C#, and the Unity game engine. Advanced software and game development students learn database programming, mobile app development, and advanced program concepts using Java.
Digital design. Learn the skills involved in advertising design, from the development and function of advertising to the production processes involved. This 2-year program will teach you the art of communication through imagery. Elements covered include illustration, typography, photography, web design, animation, and more. The program also prepares you for certification exams and assessments in advertising design.
Marketing and entrepreneurship at Town Center. Explore Madison Avenue marketing, entrepreneurship, and professional success. This 2-year program provides the opportunity to work with local businesses, including a school-based business, and learn the skills needed to pursue a career in marketing or launch a successful business. Located in the most unique classroom, you'll study in a real-world learning lab at Town Center. Topics of study include social media marketing, leadership, business plan development, project management, and more.
Hospitality and tourism management. Discover the world of hospitality and tourism management. You will gain excellent customer service skills in this 2-year program while learning about an industry that finds no limits. The hospitality and tourism industry includes hotels, resorts, restaurants, festivals, and events like Pharrell Williams' Something in the Water, theme parks, cruise ships, conference centers, and more. If you want to do something different every day in an exciting and in-demand career, then this is the program for you.
Engineering design. Speak the language of engineering by utilizing the latest Autodesk software. From developing assembly drawings to creating essential detail sheets, you'll receive extensive training in the techniques of engineering and mechanical design. This course will provide you with essential CAD skills required to advance in this field.
Architectural design. Interested in becoming an architect? In this class, you'll create your own dream house, commercial buildings, and even develop complete sets of building plans and 3D visualizations. Gain confidence in design layout, site plans, construction specifications, and more.
Naval architecture and ocean engineering. Create ocean transportation systems and structures of the future in the Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering course. If designing underwater robots and engineering cutting-edge ships and structures sounds exciting, then this class is for you. This unique program applies engineering design principles, imagination, artistic instincts, and problem-solving skills.
Engineering technology. From automobiles to airplanes, cell phones to computers, it all has to be designed, engineered, and produced. And you'll learn how to create all of this in this 2-year engineering technology program. This course teaches foundational skills in engineering, robotics, 3D printing, material science, mechatronics, applied physics, and more.
Game character design. Almost everyone has a favorite video game character, but can they design one? Learn how in this hands-on 1-year course. You'll design your own 3D characters, import them into scenes, and even animate them. You'll explore professions like 3D modeler, rigging artist, animator, renderer, and more. Qualified students will be encouraged to take the 3D Studio Max certification test.
Modeling and simulation. Would you like to create your own 3D model to present on Shark Tank? How about designing a video game character? This course explores the field of modeling and simulation as a vital tool in science and engineering. It introduces the basic concepts of making a model and animating it to simulate physical characteristics, like testing the bone density of a broken arm in a crime scene investigation. Qualified students will be encouraged to take the SOLIDWORKS and 3D Studio Max certification test.
The Advanced Technology Center is a unique STEM opportunity for Virginia Beach City Public High School students. You can stay at your neighborhood high school while taking half-day classes at the ATC. Unleash your superpowers at the Advanced Technology Center today. Advanced Technology Center. Next is what we do.